Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Rapture in Voidpet Dungeon. So I'm back inside Voidpet Dungeon, and today I'm trying to track down Rapture, which is one of those void pets that sounds mysterious enough to make you immediately want it. When I first started looking for it, I assumed it would just pop out of a random egg, but it turns out there's a bit more intention involved. The easiest way to get Rapture is by hatching higher tier eggs, especially the better ones you earn from progressing through the game or completing rewards. So what I usually do is run a few dungeon stages, stack up my rewards, and head straight to the egg menu once I've got something decent to hatch. Let's tap the egg, hit hatch, and wait for that little reveal moment. Honestly, it feels like opening a digital fortune cookie. Sometimes you get something random, sometimes you get lucky. If Rapture doesn't show up right away, don't worry. Keep collecting better eggs and hatching regularly because in this game, persistence usually beats luck eventually. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.